Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can insert text into video clips on VLC Media Player. So let us dive into this. So guys, open up the video clip in VLC Media Player. I'm going to use this one here. And then what you want to do is click into Tools at the top, navigate to Effects and Filters, or use the shortcut Ctrl-E. Then click into Video Effects here and switch to the Overlay tab. There guys, make sure that Add Text is enabled, and then you will see the default text in the top left. So what you want to do is type in your text here. So I will go with, 1, 2, 3, ABC, and there's the text, as you can see. So you can customize its position by clicking into that drop-down menu here, and then, for example, choose to position it in the bottom right like this, or top in the middle, and so on and so forth. As you can see, there is no custom positioning, so you will need to choose one of these positions here, right? Click into Save here in the bottom right to save these changes, and that's how you insert text into your video clips on VLC Player. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.